Guys, how you doing? It's Mark, and it is Wednesday. Doing a quick group therapy session. This is the Air Venturi Avenger 22 caliber, and I am shooting Terminator Air Guns and Outdoors. This is Dana from Terminator Air Guns and Outdoors. He does some special swaging of some nice slugs. The ones I have are the 22 caliber 19 grain. I actually really love this because I ordered these a couple times from them. They actually work really well. So I'm going to do a quick 10 shot string and let's see what the highs and lows are. Gonna sight in today on, let's just go upper left corner diamond, and I'm shooting again the Avenger, the Air Venturi Avenger 22 caliber Terminator Air Guns and Outdoors ammo, 19 grain slugs at 30 yards with the ATN scope recording. Alright, so let's just do first shot here just to see where we're hitting. Maybe, maybe not. Turns out I should probably load the gun first. There we go. Alright. First shot.
847, 30.3.
Second shot.
865, 31.6. 861, 31.3. 868, 31.8. $856, 30.9.
Well, you guys can see that this thing is just drilling them.
851, 30.6. 865, 31.6.
Okay, shot 8.
854, 30.8.
So we shot 9.
865, 31.6. Last bullet.
I can't tell. That looks like it was in the ragged hole, but there may be a little bit of a, I don't know. I'll have to see.
861, 31.3. Magazine empty.
Alright, so that's the first time I've shot this in a little while. And the 10 shot spread, it went from a high of 868 to a low of 847. The average being 859 with the shot spread of 21. A standard deviation of 7.0. Little higher than I would like to see. However, looking at the target, I mean, that's pretty much a ragged hole in the bullseye. I'm impressed with these slugs. These things fly great. Dana, you've done a fantastic job. I would definitely recommend this to anybody interested. I give this one definitely a thumbs up. Alright, you guys, that's all I got for you today. As always, have a great day, unless, of course, you've made other plans. Till the next time, peace out.